My video will help you to remove pop-ups by the website Micorpyt.xyz. Micorpyt.xyz is a really dangerous site indeed. It targets Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you actually scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you ever see pop-ups by Micorpyt.xyz, disregard them and leave this page. I recommend you to additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and once it is successfully installed, start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and eliminate all other threats which still could possibly stealthily remain on the system. So, use Combo Cleaner antivirus to get your device fully fixed and completely repaired. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.